If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to JASMY video update today. Alright, so a quick update on JASMY right now. We've talked about so many things regarding JASMY, and I think JASMY is doing pretty amazing job right now of holding itself. And one can say that we're trying to break out a little bit right there. I'm actually going to bring back this line here. And what I'm about to talk about is an apex. Okay, so until 25 of February, 6 days from now, you have this line right over here, the intersection of this trend line, right, this upper trend line and this lower support line at the moment. So this is the resistance line going on because you came up, you hit your head, and you came up again, you came for the retest, you failed, and now you're hitting your head several times again. So that's actually acting as resistance. And now you have this supporting line that I started drawing from yesterday's video, and I'm going to show you in a second, which was this one support touch, second support touch, and third support touch right there. And at the moment, all I can say about JASMY is the following. You do have a technical target to nearly 9,800. This is where I'm just going to put it up there. So basically, a pending move up to nearly 37% at the moment is written across the board. Now, my personal take is still an uptrend because of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is looking superb. Okay, it's looking amazing. Watch the update. And I do think we can, if you go down on a Monday, you can actually try to cross it again, come down on a Monday to 6,850, touch it, this trend line, support line again, and then by 24, next, somewhere in the middle of next week, you finally push and then continue all the way to this technical target. So that's pretty much it for this very quick one. Nothing fancy here, and I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.